And thank you for stopping by in my live as always. Hello, Che! How are you, girl? What's up? What's up? How's the kids?
How did I get
Kamusta
here?
ano? Presyo ng gasolina. Nagpo-full tank ka pa? Game name is Madison, my brother. Parang may mali. Rule number 1, bawal sumigaw.
Graveyards.
Sabi niya, I hate graveyard. Same here, same here. I'm so sorry if I have to clear my throat sometimes. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Ako lang ba? Medyo lang siguro. Ano medyo? Medyo? Sleeping sa Tilidio. Yo, never tila, you know? Sigaw, yes. Hello, Kristen D. Oh, that's it? Okay, I can do that.
What am I doing? God.
What game po? Hello, Riri. The title is Madison. You wanna watch here with us?
This goes down really deep.
Okay naman sa akin, hindi naman lag. Hindi naman lag, guys, right? Right? Hindi po lag. Okay naman po kayo. Hello, Eve, ikaw talaga, Eve. Pero Eve, thank you for going back here. I do appreciate you going back here. It means that, you know, it's okay with us. So, salamat for going back here. Appreciate it.
God.
How did I end up here? Malay
How
ko.
did I end up here?
Mina sound ko? Really? Hello, Mike Tas? Sound ko or sound ng game? Ay, iniwan ko na yung isang pinapanood ko. Oh, because of this, because of our life. Talaga? Talaga? Let me read it. Bibili ko our images. Our images get updated every year. Sige. Yeah, medyo okay na. Okay. Hello, Kate. How are you, Kate? Tandaan nyo to. Baka importante to, ha? Baka importante to. Mazes every year. Yes. Thank you, bid. Oh, there's a red... Oh. Ganda ng graphics talaga nito. Natutuwa talaga ako dito sa game na to. Parang ginamit niya yung ano sa graphics. Pero 2022. Ah, kilala mo si Vid. Manood na lang ako cause I'm not feeling well. Oh, Snowball, sige. Sige lang. Sige lang. Walang problema dyan. Go lang, ha? If you guys are having problems, you know, like, you're sick,
A yellow candle.
Ano kayo, tawag nito? Magpahinga kayo. Ba't napunta ka dyan yun? Hindi ko nga rin alam. 1/4. 1/4 na yung nagagawa ko. You know what? Sa tingin ko, pipicturean tong wall. Let me take a picture. Hindi. Oh, I can enter here. Hey, Nonchalant! How are you? What's up? How you doing? Alam mo, maliwanag, hindi nakakatakot yung ganito. 1987, 2022. Long time no see. Yeah, long time no see. So, how are you? How are you, my brother? What's up? Baka I have to take a picture. Oo nga! Oo nga! Yung lighter ko! Mali ako nito. Wala akong lighter. What game is this, Yomi? Hello, Ayufi. Ay, Ify pala, Ify. The title of the game is Madison. So, 1951 tsaka 19, ano. Dilim naman dito. What are we gonna do here? Yeah. Hello, Mal. Mal! Kamusta ka na, Mal? Oh, there's a door. Okay, we're safe, everyone! Thank you for sharing the live, Nonchalant. Appreciate you, my brother. Kasi naman na Resident Evil na yung title mo, ayaw pa rin palitan. Ay, oo nga, no? Oh, it's Madison. I like that game. Really? Then watch here with us. Hello, Cassiel. How you doing, girl? What's up?
I should keep this.
What do you think should I... Eto, no? Balik ko to. Tingin mo? Balik ko to, no? Balik ko to. Kailangan ko pa to sa tingin mo? Yan na naman tayo. We're safe. Balik ko to. You think, guys? Thank you for sharing the live, Evie. Appreciate you. Hello, Xiaobao. Kumusta ka? No need tape. Okay. Oh, need ko yung tape. You mean, need ko yung tape or no need sa tape? Ganito na lang. Ganito na lang. Ganito na lang ang sabihin mo. Kailangan ko? Oo, hindi. Hello, Samantha. Welcome back, girl. Hindi. Okay, diyan ka na. Hello, Jemski. How are you?
This is impossible.
Thank you, Cassiel, for the gifts. This is
place
impossible.
didn't look like this a
This
second
place
ago.
didn't look like the second age. Alright.
Madison.
Ba't nawala live mo kanina? Oh, nag-end lang ako
Is
saglit
this
kasi
her coffin?
there's nagkaroon ng restrictions.
The eye is missing.
Yeah, nagkaroon ng restrictions. Sorry. My bad. But yeah, you're welcome here. Kamusta ka naman? Rami gifts, kuya. Oh. Thank you, Cassiel. Appreciate you. Hello, JD Losada. Salamat sa mga pagdaan ninyo, guys. Appreciate it. Do meow, my idol. No, I don't do meow. Yung booklet na yan, maze sa maze na green room. Biblical art mazes. Our mazes get updated every year. Okay. Yanni, thank you for following me. Appreciate you. Hello, JD. You always do. No, I don't. I don't. Hello, Jel. Welcome back here, Jel. Alam mong gugulat, Jel. Wait. Anong concept sa game? Mag-time travel? No, hindi siya time travel. Ang concept sa game is parang, ano siya, babalik ka sa nakaraan, pero hindi dahil nag-time travel ka. Babalik ka sa nakaraan kasi mahal mo pa siya. Aray ko! Kawawa na naman yung nanonood! Sorry. Nanonood nang nasaktan pa. Aray ko, move on na ako, sabi ni May. Ouch, yo naman eh. Hello, Star. Kamusta ka, Star? Ang friend kong sumakses. I can understand what you laugh there. Alright. You're always free. It is always free to laugh with us. Don't worry. Parang ang daming pupuntahan. Saan ako pupunta dito? Ano? Bid! Yo, kain ginatang alimango. Wow! Wow, ang sarap naman yan. May sitaw? May kalabasa? Hello, Star. How are you, girl? What's up? Mapanakit ka din eh. Hindi po. Hello, Masha. How you doing? Find 4 colored candle first. Are you talking about the candle here? Meron? Oh, baka sarap naman yun, Angie. Is universal. Is universal language. Yes, it is. Dito lang banda. Dito ko hahanapin. Dito lang. Sana mas stuck ka dyan. May naman eh. Ito naman si May. Baka pasaway naman ng May na yan. Ayun o. Bell Tower Foundation. Okay. Where's my asawa ko? Sabi ni Castle. I don't know, Castle. You want me to look for him? Find me one asawa ko. I think that's one of the people who entered here who called you asawa. Diyan, pasok ka dun sa colored, non-colored room. This one is the non-colored room, right? This one is the non-colored room. Okay, let's go. Hello to the 33 viewers sa susunod. Hello, Ave. Welcome back here. Iniwan mo kami, Ave. Iniwan mo kami. Ganon kakabilis, ano? Ganon kakabilis manawa, Ave. Sige na nga. Yellow maze yan. Oh, mali dito. So, it's yellow. Alright, okay, sorry. 2 hours lang game, pero pag si Yaho naglalaro, aabutin ng ilang araw yan. Huwag ka na magalit. At least, ilang araw tayong magkakasama, di ba? Ilang linggo tayong magkakasama, ilang buwan. Hindi tulad ng ex ninyo, oras lang. Ay, sorry! Sorry! Eto, red. Eto, red to red. Ayun ka na naman, yo. Sorry. Red, green. Oo, nalona. Eto, green. Red. Kawawa viewers mo. Hello, Nabinami. How are you, girl? What's up? It's blue. And this one, yellow. So, saan ako pupunta na walang color? Lahat may color. Parang pinakinggan mo si Lona. Hello. This one, it's blue. This one. So, this blue, this is where I'm gonna go. Hello, Azrael. Atras. Oh, this one. Here. Here, you're talking about this. Here. This one. Tama po. Ito po. Ito. Ito. Hindi. Ito. Ah, right. Ito. Ito. Yun naman pala eh.
The color of death.
The color of death. The color of wine. The color of
The
Jesus'
color
blood.
of Jesus' blood.
Sa kabila. Snap mo each frames. Are you talking about this one, right? Okay. Hello, Archie. Welcome back here. Oh! Do I still have to go there? Ako na lang picture ang masabi ni Archie. Ikaw talaga, Archie. Hello, Archie. 204 na raw. 204? What do you mean by that? Oh, should I ring the bell? Hello, Mary. How are you? Oh, there's nothing to get here. Nalagpasan ko? Oh, that's it. Ah, yung kandila! That's what you mean. Hello, Charlotte. Hello, Angel Duckies. Oh, there's something here, oh. Hello, IDK. Okay, there's nothing here, right? Okay. Ah, meron dito. Ito.
Was that the bell I heard at the graveyard?
What was... Ano? I cannot get... Church na naman, totoo. Astig nung ginagawa kong video, nirepost ng kinainan namin Joko. Parang commercial kasi gawa ko. That's so nice. I'm proud of you, my brother. Hello, Johnny Figura. Sabi nila mas nakakatakot daw simbahan. Hey, I agree with you. Ang may kasabihan din dito. You know what they said? Mas nakakatakot sa simbahan kesa sa cemetery. And the reason for that is because, di ba, when someone is dead, what happened is that dinadaan nila sa simbahan muna. Doon daw talaga naiiwan yung souls, hindi sa cemetery. Sa cemetery, it's only the body, but the soul stays at the church. May it be na nagsisisi sila, may it be na tatawid sila or hindi. That's it. Left. This one, no? This one. Okay, I will. Ah, hindi. Tapos na ako dito. 1951 daw. Ayan o, green. 1951 is green, right? So, we're gonna go to 1951, tama? Kaya may time na parang hindi rin safe sa church kapag mga horror story, right? Napanood mo na yung Angie? Yung, what is that again? Wait. Yung Conjuring 2? Grabe talaga yun. 1951 peak yo. Oh, okay. Thank you, Ben. Yung, di ba sa church yun? Grabe yun, no? Grabe pagkakagawa ng... Venus! What's up, girl? How you doing? Oh! Okay. Ganda nun. May Conjuring 6 na daw. Ano, nagkaroon ng 6? Wala namang 5? Wala ring 4? Ala! Ala! Kailangan ko ba talagang gawin yun? O nagkamali ako ng ginawa? I think mali ginawa ako. Mali ginawa ako. Meron? Wala pang ano, diba? Mali ginawa ako, guys. Basta merong bagong Conjuring. There's a new Conjuring, I know. Yes. But 1951 again. Magna 1951 ako again. This one. Okay, got it. Got it, got it. Labas Universal Pictures. Grabe gumawa si Universal. Ang galing. Oh, you want me to explore while ginawa ko to? Okay. Di na siya sumisigaw. Yes, Jamela. I know, right? Alam ng friends ko, nakakakita ako, sabi ni Archie. Nakakita ka, Archie.
Hello? Excuse me?
Sabi na daw. Do it daw.
Nancy.
Oh, merong ganon. Merong ganon. Alam, yan na naman umiiyak. May umiiyak?
I finally did it. You have to understand. It was like living with a monster. No, he never loved me. He was a liar. He lied to me.
Woo!
He
Hinikilabutan din
lied
ako.
to everyone. He was a liar. He lied to himself. He tried to pretend he didn't have
May
the past he
may
did.
nagkukumpisal.
He wasn't a vile, disgusting,
Sige, magkumpisal ka sa akin, Vic.
piece of garbage.
Tayo lang ang makakaalam niyan.
You know, he just wanted to marry me, to get away from his crimes. He knew he couldn't stay in Germany. He knew
Yes, yun yung last
he knew
Conjuring
his
na
past
movie.
was coming to get him. He knew it. He tried to pretend.
Guys,
it
you can
was
still
all-
hear me, right? You can still hear me clearly or medyo mahina?
Chased him, it haunted me.
sabi ni Pete, Father, miss ko ba siya?
Was in
Sige
charge
lang,
of the
sabihin mo
gas
lang, Pete.
chamber.
Pete,
He
sabihin mo lang ang mga
Took
iniisip
so
mo.
many
Hindi ka
innocent
safe dito.
lives. Destroyed them. It just
Hindi pwede.
I could do that.
At least ano si Father.
I would
Okay lang audio mo. Okay lang naman. Thank you, Sakura.
avoid emptiness.
Father,
Nothing looking
kapalit-palit ba ako? Tanong natin sa kanya. Hindi talaga pwede maging pare, Pete. Sorry.
anymore. I made sure he would not hurt another person. I made sure
Mga ganyan
that
tao
he
dapat
suffered.
binibira eh. Totoo ba na nasa noong pangatlong mata? Hello, Lian. Father, how to become immortal? Ay, walang ganon, Jamela. Hello, Diwata. Hello, Kuya Dan.
Hallowed be your name. Your kingdom.
Hello,
come.
Devi.
Your will be done.
Mas grabe yung nalaro kong
As it
ano.
is in heaven.
Father, pinili ko
Our
siya
Father
kahit
in
bawal. Aray
Hallowed
ko!
be your name. Your
Hello to the
kingdom
50
come.
viewers that we do have right now. Hello,
Your will be
Nixie. Hope you guys are doing
on
well.
earth
It's
as it
either
is in
left or right ang pangatlong
Our
mata,
Father in
sabi.
heaven.
Father, worth it
Hallowed
ba
be
siya
your
mahalin?
name. Your kingdom come. Your will be
Depende, anak.
done on earth as it is
Magkano
in
ba
heaven.
bigayan dyan?
Our
Uy,
Father.
bawal talaga. Bawal talaga maging pari, B.
Your
Akala seryoso na.
Your will be
Alam mo ba yung
done
dasal na yan? May story na
on
may
earth
ismo ba?
as it is
Yeah.
in heaven.
Sabi kasi, ang sabi kasi
Hallowed be
daw
your name.
is, pag ang
Your
nire-recite
kingdom
mo
come.
is
Your will be
something
on
na
earth as it is
kinabisa
in
mo and it's not from your
Our
heart,
Father in heaven.
the devil knows it as well.
Hallowed be your name.
Hello, the stranger. Thank you for
Your
following me.
kingdom
Father,
come.
I
Your
force
will
him to
be
be...
done
Father, can I
on
force
earth
him to be
as it
mine?
is in heaven.
Kaya
Our
sabi nila
Father
mas
in
better na
heaven.
sariling dasal.
Hallowed
Yes,
be your
yes.
name.
Diba?
Your kingdom
Tama yun.
come.
Mas better
Your
na
will be
sariling
done
dasal. Okay?
on earth
Diba
as
noon,
it is in
pinagdadasal mo na sana kayo
Our
hanggang
Father
huli.
in heaven.
Ano nangyari?
Hallowed be
Huy, kawawa yung nanonood.
Your
69 na pa man din.
will be done
Sorry.
on earth as it is in heaven.
Hello to the 72 viewers that we do have. Biglang bumagsak ng 66.
Your kingdom
May 10 may 10 tinamaan, be.
on earth
Sorry.
as it is in heaven. Our Father in
Sa
heaven.
mga kakain ng kumain na eat well, guys. Eat well, eat well. Negative na yung points sa langit. Check mo, follows mo
On
yun.
earth as it is in heaven.
Check the photos daw.
Our
Okay, okay.
Father
Keep
in
tapping, guys. Okay.
hallowed be
Check the photos daw.
Your kingdom come.
Check the photos.
Your
I'll
will
check
be
the
done
photos now.
on
Okay.
earth as it is in heaven.
1951. I
Our
have
Father in
it.
heaven, hallowed be your name. Your
I have the
kingdom
photos
come.
here. What do you
Your
want me to
will
check
be
in the
done
photos?
on earth as it is in heaven.
Game name Madison. Galaw-galaw na. Ah, Archie. Gagalaw.
Your
Check
kingdom
nyo daw
come.
photos nung panahong
Your will
masaya
be
pa
done
kayo.
on
Shaba!
earth as it is in
Oo.
heaven.
No!
Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name.
Yung background ng game
Your
symbolizes...
kingdom
Ano?
come.
Yung
Your
background
will
ng
be
game...
done
Yung
on
background ng
earth as
frame
it is in
symbolizes the color of the candle.
Our Father
Right,
in
right.
heaven,
Got it? Hello,
hallowed
Snowball.
be
How are
your
you?
name.
You're gonna sleep here as well?
Your
Check mo
kingdom
photos
come.
ng mga frames.
Your will be
Check mo
done
photos ng
on
mga
earth
frames.
as
Okay?
it is
You want
in
me to check
heaven.
the photos of the
Our
frames?
Father in heaven,
Did I...
hallowed be your name.
Did I
Your
picture your
kingdom
frames?
come.
This one,
Your
right?
will
You're
be
talking
done
about these two frames,
on
right?
earth as it
Okay,
is
you
in
said
heaven.
yung background ng
Our
frame
Father in
symbolizes the
heaven,
color of the candle.
hallowed be your
So this
name.
one is green,
Your
this one
kingdom
is
come.
red. Right?
will
These
be
are the only frames that I
on earth
took
as it is
pictures.
in heaven. Our
Angel,
Father in heaven,
this one is green.
hallowed
Red
be
is
your
Jesus.
name.
Yeah, yeah.
Your kingdom
Okay.
come. Your
Angel
will be
green.
done
Tandaan nyo guys ha,
on
angel
earth
green,
as it is in
red is Jesus. Tandaan nyo ha.
Our
Tandaan
Father
nyo
in
ha,
heaven,
tandaan nyo.
hallowed be your name.
Binigyan nyo na naman ng trabaho
Your
yung
kingdom
viewers
come.
niya.
Your will
Find
be
two
done
other frames.
on earth as it is in heaven. Our Father in heaven,
Kayo
hallowed
magtatanda,
be your
okay?
name.
Where will I
Your
find it?
kingdom
The
come.
two other
Your
frames.
will be done.
Meron
on earth
angel
as it is
angel
in
green. Mali ka na Xiaobao. Angel green. Angel green tsaka red Jesus,
Your
tama.
kingdom come. Your will
And
be
then
done
alam mo ba
on
na ang
earth
totoong
as it is in
itsura
heaven.
ng anghel is marami daw eyes?
Our Father in
Well,
heaven,
there's a lot of
hallowed
there's a
be
lot
your
of
name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on
reading
earth
materials
as
that
it
you
is
can
in
see that. You can
Our
read that as
Father
well.
in
You know,
heaven,
parang marami silang
hallowed be
pakpak,
your
marami
name.
silang eyes.
Your
Pero
kingdom
kasi,
come.
tama,
Your
tama.
will be
Binigyan mo
done
pa kami ng problema,
on
Yoho.
earth
Ikot-ikot ka
as it
lang,
is in
Archie.
heaven.
Same way,
Our
gaya ng
Father in
ginawa mo
heaven,
sa kaninang year.
hallowed be your name. Your
Uy,
kingdom
Madison. Hello,
come.
Andrea.
Your
Hello.
will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Our Father
So,
in heaven,
gaya ng
hallowed
ginawa
be
ko
your name.
kanina.
Your kingdom come.
So you mean to say, ito naman ang pipicturan ko or itong 2022? San ka na? You're gonna help me, Andrea? Stay. You want me to stay there? Stay daw, stay. Stay daw, stay. Yan din yung sinabi mo nung paalis siya, di ba? Pero,
Your kingdom
nangyari?
come.
Aray mo! Kawawa yung 15 nanonood.
As it is
Sorry.
Our Father in heaven,
Sorry. Hello, Sam. Hello, Bebang. Okay,
your
so,
will be done
sabi mo,
on earth
saan ako
as it
sa
is
kabilang
in
room kayo ho? This one, right? This one. Right. Nanonood lang, tapos nasa taba.
Your kingdom come
Ito. So,
on earth.
okay. So you mean to say this one, right? Should you want me to... Okay, I got you. Next one is this. Yan. Yung 70 kanina, yung pagbagsak ko nung relapse, naging 66 eh. Ay, 70 plus naging 66. Check photos. Okay, hello Nix. Welcome back here. I will check the photos now and...
Your kingdom come
Ay, dapat ko pa siyang paanuhin. Sorry.
on earth.
Wait. Ala, hindi ko na ano. Game name. Okay, ito na po.
Your kingdom come.
Blue is yung, guys, tandaan nyo, blue is yung Mary. Yellow is yung,
Father in heaven,
yellow is yung,
your kingdom come. Your will be
yellow, ano to? Spartans? Yellow is Spartans.
Father in heaven.
Ay, Joseph ba?
Your
Oh my God, Joseph. Spartans. Sorry. Sorry.
Your kingdom
Muntik pa naging si Leonidas talaga ng Spartans, guys. Muntik pa talagang maging si Leonidas. You know who Leonidas is? Gusto mo makita last
your will
candle?
be done. On earth.
Dalawa pa lang meron ako. Ilan na ba candle ko? I'll
Our
check,
Father in
okay?
heaven, hallowed be your
1,
name.
2, 3. Yeah, sure. Saan?
On earth. Our
Hello,
Father
Marbs.
in
Welcome back here.
Hallowed
Pag
be
kinuha
your
mo
name.
green candle,
Your
magpapakita
kingdom
si
come.
Hans.
Your will be
Sinong
done
Hans? Pag kinuha ko green candle, I do have the green candle.
Your Father,
Ay, pinuntahan niya yung confession room. Yes, I did here.
your kingdom come
May note sa baba ng door ng confession room.
on
Yes.
earth as it is
Ayun yun,
in
no?
heaven.
Tapos,
Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name.
okay.
Your kingdom come. Your
He
will
is
be
here, sabi.
on earth as it is in heaven.
Sino?
Father in heaven, hallowed
Yung
be your
candle,
name.
naka-float sa
Your
ere sa
kingdom
center
come.
ng mga upuan.
Your will
Okay.
be done
Sino?
on earth as it is in heaven. Our Father in
Ay,
heaven,
oo nga. Wait, kailangan ko na bang kunin yan? Note, wag mo kukunin muna. Okay, wag na muna.
your will be done
Okay, wag na muna.
as it is in heaven.
Masama ang kutob Dawid. Parehas tayo, Eve. Masasama ang kutob kasi ganyan. Titigan ko ang
Your
alin.
kingdom come. Your will be done on earth.
Anong
as it
tititigan
is
ko?
in
Yan, oh.
Our
Yan,
Father in
yung
heaven,
candle. Or you want me to take a
hallowed be
picture?
your name. Your
Lapitan ko,
kingdom
tapos
come.
titigan ko. Okay.
Your will be done
Wag ko raw muna siya
on
kukunin.
earth as it is in heaven.
Hoy! Hoy! Nakita ko yun! Nakita ko yun!
Your will be done on earth.
Nakita ko yun. Hindi na ako maniniwala dyan sa mga titig na yan. So wag ko na kukunin muna. Solve mo muna ng ibang candles. Okay. Sino nag-lead sa'yo na pumunta sa confession room? Yung sarili ko lang.
Your kingdom your will be done
Try basic yellow
on
maze.
earth as it is in
Okay, yellow maze. You're talking about this one, right?
hallowed be
Sabi
your
niya, ay,
name.
weba, bakit? Bakit? Anong sabi? Yan mamaya last mong kukunin. Bakit? Anong sabi ni Andrea? Anong sabi ni Andrea? Lagot ako? Okay lang yan. Based sa photo mo, dapat ilagay mo si yellow candle sa frame ni Fatman. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, I'll do that.
Your kingdom come. Your will be done.
This one, right? This one, right? Pero, cloistered convent ako. Opo, pero cloistered convent ako. Ano? Natatakot ako sa mga nun eh. Oh. This is the yellow room, right? Ah, magmamadre ka, ano? Magmamadre ka, Andrea? Really? Really? Andrea? You wanna be a nun? Pag wala si Fatman dyan, baka nasa kabilang year, 1987. Pag nandyan ako, di ako matatakot. What do you mean, Fatman? This one? Lalo na yung mga madre sa mga sinaunang panahon. Fatman? This one? This one, right? This one? This is Fatman. Ah, si Joseph. Place mo na yung yellow candle, okay? Yeah. Diba?
The color.
Kalma. Kumalma ka. Kumalma. Kalma ha, kalma. Wala naman akong ginawang mali. Kumalma. Kumalma. Hello, Star. Oh! Oh! Bakit walang ilaw? Ah, hindi. Labas pa ako. Okay na.
Your will be done on earth as it is in
Masyadong takot, kabado.
our Father in heaven.
Ano yung pinakamadali?
Your kingdom come.
Or blue maze? Sige.
Your will be done on
Dito tayo sa blue. Yun naman na tayo sa blue. Uy, putik ka! Ha! Yung blue maze I see. Saan ko ba malalaman yun? Alam ko na. Alam ko na kung bakit mo tinatanong ko sino yung blue maze, because you're talking about this one, right? You're talking about this one, the blue. Yan, si Mary. Damay ako sa gulat na nakala ko face to face. Okay, where will I go? Got it! Ayan na, nilagay ko na. Okay. Asan na? Wala bang lighter dito? Hindi ko makita yung daan, promise. Buti na gets niya yung plus and minus, sabi ni Andrea. Grabe ka naman kay Yoho. Siyempre magigets din ni Yoho yun. Yoho is a little bit stupid only. Gusto mo yun. Ganon, si Yoho. A little bit stupid. That's what you want. Ikaw talaga. Dami kasing nalilito, sabi. Hindi ako malilito kasi nag-guide ako ni kahit papano ni Bid. Oh, ayan, nalito na ako sa nabandaan. Siyempre, oo. I always give credits to whoever it is due. So, all credits to myself. No, I was just kidding. All credits to all of you guys there. I won't be able to finish games without you guys. So, yeah, I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, si Mary ay... Huy, wala si Mary dito! Si Mary ba to? Hindi si Mary yan. Which means nasa kabilang year. Nasa 1987 pag wala. Chill lang sa words, guys. Be kind. Oo, guys. Mag-change kayo ng spelling ha. Kasi kaka-restrict lang natin. Hello, Kristen. So, wala dito. Baka pwede na ako maglagay dito. Total, nandito na rin naman ako. Baka pwede na ako maglagay ng iba. Meron na akong pwedeng ilagay dito. Try red maze. So mali. Mali. Okay. Oo nga pala kasi blue. Dapat kay Mary lang. Tama, right? Tama. Okay. Color of the candle, color of the maze. Yeah. So, I shouldn't be putting anything here aside from the one na need ilagay. Tama. Pero hindi ko na alam kung saan ang daan. Ayun! Cravings ko tuloy, habulan, sabi ni Andrea. Grabe naman yan, cravings na yan, habulan. Ganyan din kayo nung una eh. Gahabulan. Tapos hanggang ngayon, ikaw na lang ang humahabol. Pero ayaw na niya. Ay, sorry! Ikaw na lang lagi ang taya. Sorry! Pakuha na natin, tara. Wag. Wala, 30 na lang yan mamaya. Okay lang, kahit, alam mo, nagsimula lang kami sa 5. Diba? 2, 5, 10. Stay kami ng ganun. Kahit magganon ulit, okay lang sa akin. As long as you guys are solid ones. Get green, Yoho, para complete mo na candle. Ayoko, Bid! Ayoko, Bid. Try-dorin mo ako, Bid. may ano ka lang din eh. May side ka ring try-door, Bid, no? Yung green candle, get that? No, Andrea. Influencer ka eh. Alam mo, si Andrea influencer yan eh. Bad influence. Mga traitor. Teka lang, hinahanap ko ang daan. Kala mo ha. Baka dito kasi madilim. Minsan kasi pag madilim, let's see. Huwag ka nang ganyan, Bid. Sorry na. That's it! Palabas to. Next game, ipagawa nyo agad. Next time, ipagawa nyo agad. Apaka nyo naman. Huwag naman ganun. Kayo talaga. Buti na lang hindi si Yoho. Sinong trauma dito sa Rebulto? Yung Rebulto? No, hindi kami tinabla ng Rebulto. Sorry. Do you still guys remember what happened dun sa Rebulto? Yung kung anong ginawa ko kahapon, yung pagligtas ko sa inyo. Always remember that. Kung paano ko kayo niligtas. Oy, ito na si Mary, oh. Mary, hello. Kasi red, no? So, mali, di ba? Mali, tama. So, green talaga nandyan. No, ayoko mag-try. Teka lang. Nakitaan kita ng side na ikaw ay isang traitor. Sa blue siya eh. So, sa blue ko siya. So, yung red, yung kay Jesus, right? So, nandito ba yung Jesus? Wala. So, it's wrong. Mali ito. Mukhang proceed to get green na. Hindi. Hindi po. Hindi po magpo-proceed sa green. Ala ka, umikot na naman ako. Try green room. Ay, try ko na sa green room. Ala ka, ano ba naman lugar to? Try mo, punta ka sa green maze. Yes, I will go there. Pag nandyan si Angel sa green, congrats. Okay, I know, nandito yan. Hindi ako papabayaan. Kaya mo yan, yo. Nandito kami para tumawa. Napakalaking tulong, ha. Hello, Zero. Ayan, sa green na ako. Sa green na ako, sa green. Ito na. Ito na. Please. 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 This one. Si Angel yan, di ba? Tama? Wait lang, sandali. Green Angel. Kala nyo. Shucks, ba't wala akong green? Ba't wala akong green? So, pupulutin ko yung green sa labas! So, pupulutin ko yun! Hello, Ida Wong. How you doing? Hoy! Mali! Hoy! Hala! Mali! Bakit kailangan ganun? Mali! Hala! Ang iya! Ala! So ano na to? Kailangan ko siyang pulutin talaga? O hindi mo... Wait, baka meron dun sa ano... Wait lang. Okay, just give me a few minutes, alright? Wait. Sandali. Yung sa blue, sandali lang ha. Yung sa blue. Sandali. Hindi dyan. Yung sa blue, sandali. Tawa na naman kayo eh. Pinagkakaisa niyo si Yoho ah. Yung sa blue, sandali. Tilintigan tayo dito. Walang Mama Mary dun sa blue.
Another candle.
Ah! Butik ka! Pwisit ka. Ipupunta nga sa green. Wisit talaga.
My hand. What the fuck
Ano
was
naman
that?
gagawin ko?
I gotta get out of this place.
Okay, I have to go now, right? I have to go. Yes, we're safe!
The color of our angels.
After mo, go to 1951. Labas na ako? Bakit? Wait lang, hindi muna ako lalabas. Sandali. Sabihin mo muna anong room. Saan ako gagawa? Sabi mo, after mo go to 1951, are you talking about to 1987? Are you... Hello, Glenn. How are you doing? My brother, what's up? Yung kaninang plate na may 1951, so I'm gonna go to 1987, right? Hindi, 1987 nga raw eh. Ano ba talaga? Pinagkakaisa niyo si Yoho ah. We're safe na. Naibigay naman na yung ano eh. Naibigay naman na yung gusto eh. We're safe na. Ah! Putik ka! Ano yun? Ah! Putik na! We're safe! We're safe! We're safe! We're safe! Alam ko na next. Teka lang, nakalimutan ko na. Nagka-short term memory loss ako. Ano na ba gagawin ko? Ayup na. Sorry. Nagka-short term memory loss ako. Ano na bang gagawin ko sa susunod? Ano na ba? Wait nga. Isa blue. Blue tsaka red. Nagkape to, no? No, iniwasan ko na yung kape kapag naglalaro ng ganito kasi nakadalawang beses na ako nakatapon. Pre, iba tili mo pag takot. Ay, walang takot dito, Glenn. Mag-memo plus ka na. Nagkaka-short term memory loss ako pag ganito nilalaro eh. Kape. Ilang beses ko na natapon yung kape dito eh nung nilaro ko yung Haunted Room 205. Tapos na ba ako sa blue? No, not yet, right? Just na lang daw. Saan na ba ako nito? Ito na naman tong color blue na to. Ayan. Yung blue, ilalagay ko yan. Teka, yung blue, sandali lang ha. Kay Mary. Dito na si Mary, no? Woohoo! We're safe! We're safe! Pangatlong sigaw na niyo. Mas try Hellsit rin. I did. I already played Hellsit. I do have a video. You can check it. I do have a video of it. You can check it as well. How's the game? Let me tell you my honest review about it, cause I didn't finish it. I honestly didn't finish it. I honestly didn't finish the game. Hanggang doon lang ako sa first chapter. Nung magsisimula na yung second chapter, na ano ko na siya, hanggang doon ako sa part na, alam mo yung natapos ko na yung humahabol sa akin sa baba, yung nakakulong sa anong tawag doon? Sa parang safe? Hello, Shang! How are you, Shang? Yon. Natapos ko yon. So, nung magcha-chapter 2 na ako, tinigil ko na. Iba yung pakiramdam ko dun sa game. I know it was just a game, but iba yung pakiramdam ko dun sa game, dun sa part na bumabaliktad yung cruise. Iba yung pakiramdam ko sa kanya. It's not something na parang umihina yung oxygen dito sa bahay. I don't know, but that's what I feel. Yes, it is very creepy. Yung part na ang gagawin mo sa game. Hello Emmy, the title of the game is Madison. Yeah, Andrea, yes. And iba talaga. You know, I always play games like this. A lot of game. You can check it in the videos that I'm posting. You can check it there. I always play games like this. But when it comes to Hellseed, it's really not for me. I'm not gonna play it again. Kasi talaga, kada tapos ko dun, hinihingal ako, hindi dahil sa sumisigaw ako. Yung Visage, I'm done with the Visage. Someone help me here as well. Well, alam mo, very helpful naman yung nasa comment section ko palagi. They always help me. So I'm really thankful with the people in the comment section, to be honest. I always tell them that I am so blessed to have them because I don't know if I'll be able to finish those games without them. Kasi it's really difficult. Hello, Dea. Hellseed, sobrang diabolic. Yes, Dea, I agree with you on that one. Yung part talaga na ayoko. Yung part talaga na bumabaliktad yung cruise. Ayoko. It's not really, iba yung nung game. Iba yung ambience ng game. Well, but you know, if kaya nyo, I'm not telling you guys na not to play it, but it's not for me. Hello, Art. How are you? She knows this game too. Who? Purple. Yes, Purple helped me a lot. Yes, helped me a lot when it comes to Visage. I don't know why is it na nawala na si Purple dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala na. Wala siyang pasabi. Bigla na lang siyang nawala. Tulad nung ex mo. Hoy, teka lang, kawawa yung nanonood. Kawawa yung nanonood. Bigla na lang nawala daw. Walang pasabi. Hello, Art. How are you, girl? What's up? How's your day? What's up? Jesus Christ yun nandito. Tama. Buti na lang naka-move on na. Wag mong ipilit. Meron pa yan. Binalik. Hindi ka makarmain kasi palagi kang dumadaan sa FYP ko. Sorry na, Dea.
The bell.
Napapadaan lang naman. Ikaw talaga. She commented it here. Who? Hans. Iganti mo kami. Sinong Hans? Who's Hans? Is Hans here? Who's Hans? Can you tell me the name of... who's Hans? Kindly raise your, raise your right feet. Pinahirapan pa. Sino si Hans dyan? Yung nasa 1951. Can't relate wala akong ex. Sabi ni Dea. Alright. Okay, we're good now. Nalagay ko na lahat. What do you want me to do next? Tell me what you want me to do next. Cause Bell Tower? Where is that again? Susi sa opposite room of years. Wait. Parang insidious na movie ba yung Hellseed? No, Ave. Ano siya? Tawag nito. Remember where you get the candle? No. Parang may bumukas na pinto. Saan yun? Dito. Ave, yung style kasi Ave nung yung style nung... Hello, Genji. Hello, Yam. Yung style nung Hellseed. It's very dark. Hindi siya The game... Okay. This is how I should describe it. The game didn't give room for... It didn't give room for peace. Do you get what I mean? Hindi tulad ng ganito. Magstay ako ng ganito, it's fine. Doon magstay ka ng ganito, bababa yung mga maya-maya bababa na yung mga cruise. So, kailangan mong itayo ulit yung mga cruise. And, it's something talaga na ewan ko, basta iba yung pakiramdam ko sa game. Hindi ba ako nakaka-follow? Sumpa na lang talaga. Sige, pa-follow naman, Daya, if you don't mind. We also have an FB page. Oh, sorry for that, Angie. We also have a Blue App page. You can type Home. It has the same profile picture there. And if you don't have anything to do, you can also watch the daily videos that we're posting. Those are some of the highlights of the games that we're playing. You can also don't forget to leave a comment. All right, that will be a very big up. You can also like it if you want. Oh, I have it. Kapag may key, may kailangan buksan na door. Yes. Ano to, diabolic game ba to? Sabi ni Dea. I'm not really sure, Pero... I mean, we play those games naman, Dea. It's just that, even if we play those games, yung Hellseed talaga iba. So, ano nang gagawin ko? Pupunta na ako sa 1951? Pero anong door? Wala akong nabasa. Don't worry. Pupunta ako sa 1951. Di ba nandun yung lalaki? What I mean is, what type of game to about Devil Bar? Oh, you mean to say the, wait, let me, yeah, it's about, it's about possession, I think. Kasi Madison, based on the story of the game, Madison is someone, well, allegedly, she is someone who's been possessed. That's why she, I'm not gonna, the K-I-L-L-E-D. Instead of saying the word K-I-L-L-E-D, I'm gonna say like. Okay, I'm gonna say like. So, Madison is someone who like lots of people, and allegedly, she is possessed. Igagang tayo ni Hans sa hugot nga kanina, guys. So, ito pipicturean ko, di ba? Panginoon ko, Diyos ko. Wait lang! Ano bang gagawin ko muna dito? Pwedeng pakisabi. Alangan naman takbo lang ako ng takbo. Di ba? Alangan naman takbo lang ako ng takbo. Pati sa mga tulad ninyo. Madison wants to be immortal. That's why she wants to do rituals and sacrifice her victims. Yeah. Confession room. Okay, I will go there. Alright. Tapos, anong gagawin ko doon? Na-follow na kita. You're welcome. Thank you so much, Dea. Oh. Wala yung ano ko. Thank you so much, Dea. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. That means a lot to us. Kahit siyo gusto maging immortal, wag mo laglag. Get the thing inside. Okay, I will. May nangahabol pa dito? Meron pa? Sige, I will. There's nothing inside! Oh, he's gone. We're safe, guys. We're safe. He's gone. Okay, let me close the door. Uy, I can't close it.
Hans
Ano yan?
Goring?
Hans Goring, 1951. Okay, where will I use this? Wait lang, where will I use this? I'll spoil more about the context of the game when you finish this. Okay, Andrea. That's so nice. Okay, what do you want me to do on this one? Wait lang. Kailangan ko ng instruction muna. Kasi alam nga naman takbot. Remember yung coffin ni Madison? Hindi. Saan ako pupunta dun? So, pupunta ulit ako dun sa year. Am I right? Sa year? Yung sinaing. Hello, Ninay. Wait lang. What do you want me to do on this one? Would you like me to... Hindi. How am I gonna go there? Hello, May. Sinaing ko na sunog tuloy. Sorry, Andrea. Sorry. Uy, masarap ang tutong, ha? Go to 1987. Thank you. Run! Ah! Putik ka! Uwisit ka. Nag-aantay siya doon. Uwisit. Sumpa kayo. Sumpa. Kalma ka na. Yoho, tapos na. Okay. Ito na, nasa 1987 na ako. Siya na ako pupunta po. Tama ba yung pinicturan ko? Parang mali. Nasaan yung coffin? Can you tell me? Oh, this one? How am I gonna, ano? Oh, pero nasa taas eh. You remember her name below yung my plate? Oo, yung Gorans? Are you talking about this one, right? You're talking about this one, right? So where would you want me to put it? Can you tell me? The Madison Hill. The Madison. The Madison. No, the question is that where will I put it? Nasa gitna? Here? Oh, this one! Okay, my bad.
Hill,
Okay na.
1944.
Yes, we finished the game!
1987.
Putik ka, tatakbuhan kita agad. Pag may lumabas niya, kalawa. Okay, done. Closer. Diyos ko. Closer pa. Okay na, okay na. Okay na, okay na. Okay na. Safe na ako dito. Okay, we're safe, we're safe, we're safe everyone. We're safe, we're safe.
Is this?
We're safe! I can go out now! Woohoo! Oh! That don't look safe. Parang mas gusto ko dito! Maliwanag po dito! Parang mas gusto ko dito! Oh! 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 Ano yun? Yeah, I'm also thinking about the lighter. Can I use the lighter? Is it okay for me to use the lighter or it's gone? Is it gone? Oh, it's gone. It's gone, it's gone now, it's gone. Yeah. Oh, I heard something. Oh, thank you! That's nice. That's so nice of you. Thank you. That's nice. Inilawan nila ako. It's a big help.
Bricks?
Oh, bricks? Ano ko lalabas dyan? Oh, I have a hammer. Ayaw. Come na, yo. Tell us how's the part of the... Ano? Come na, yo. So, tell us how's the part sa cathedral. You talking about the... Wait, you talking about the... Here, this game, Madison? The cathedral part, right? Okay, it's safe naman. Hello, Art. How are you? May ilaw naman eh, so it's safe. I know. Yung mga ganito kasi, goods to. Yan. Break na naman. Punta na naman sa kabila. I'll be back. Oh, you're kind of busy. Okay, okay. Oh. Goods and lights natin, guys. So, it's fine. Inilawan para makita mo siya agad. No. Na naman? Baka I need to, ano? Parang may kulang. Go back. Kulang san? Puro bricks lang naman. May pictures yo. Kahit kami di kami nag... Kulang talaga. Oh, nawala yung ano ko. Nawala yung ano ko, nawala yung pinto. Okay lang yan, basta wag pinapatay yung ilaw. Kasi yun nakakatakot, yung pag walang ilaw tapos may lalabas. Yun, yung mga... Wait lang. Bakit ako nagkasipon? Wala naman akong sipon. Walang may sipon na naman sa akin. Wala naman akong sipon. Nagkakasakit na yata ako dito sa laro to eh. Oh, what is that? Okay na, gets na. Siyempre, tapos na. Hindi, may sipon lang na... Yeah.
Bricks?
Hindi na ako madadali nito. Hindi na ako madadali nito. No, hindi na ako madadali nito. Hindi na ako madadali nito. At pag ganun backward, tapos nakakalilingon para bumalik sa other side. Pag ganon, backwards, tas saka kalilingon para bumalik sa other side. If you saw hands, go back daw. Okay, I will. Kulang pa din, ah. I know what to do na here. Hello, Chachi. Chachi Kapina! What's up? Hey, you're not here yesterday night. Yes. How are you? Kamusta ka? How's your day? Been busy last night?
What?
Di mo na ako madadali. Doon ka pa sa bandang dulo eh. Sabi ni Eve, apply mo yung technique mo kagabi. Whew! Right? Lumabas ka! Run! Run!
The attic.
He's gone!
The attic.
He's gone! See? Kampi kami ni Eve, guys. I'm so sorry. Di ba? Ganyan lang ang gagawin ninyo sa mga problema. Talikuran ninyo. Tulad ng pagtalikod niya sa'yo nang walang paalam. Aray ko! Kawawa na naman yung nanonood. Di ba tinalikuran ka rin? Hala, tama na. Galing hindi ko na mabilang ilang sigaw na. Hello, Bree. Hello, Jiro. Kumusta ka, Jiro? How are you, my brother? You're not here yesterday, my brother. Okay lang, as long as walang tatawagin sa akin ng Andy. Ano yung Andy? What is Andy? I don't know that. Oh, someone's calling. Where's that? Someone's calling. Here? No? May nagpaayos na motor sa mga katawan ko. Oh, talaga? Nickname niya sa akin.
John?
Hello,
Fourth
Nash.
time I've tried to call you. Priest Thomas speaking.
This is the
I was
fourth
able
time.
to finally get the information you asked for, and the truth is, I'm worried about your family. Generally speaking,
Natapusin mo
demons
ito
try to
tonight.
complete
Kung ano lang yung
simple
abutin namin.
rituals to break the bondage of their souls.
Hindi ko na dapat
To
sinabi
carry out
yun
this
yung...
ritual,
Bakit?
you
Ba't
must
ayaw mo
rid
ako maging
yourself of an
kakampi?
object with important sentimental
Hello,
value to you.
Venus.
Offer it as a sacrifice. There were practitioners of witchcraft who became
Kung ano lang yung abutin.
haunted as a
So,
result
that's what
of
we
their
always
thievery
do.
and
Kung ano lang
dishonesty.
yung abutin.
They used to steal jewelry from ancient
Can you
dynasties
still guys
to
hear
avoid
me, even
performing
if
the sacrifice
it's-
directly for
yeah,
themselves with their own sentimental objects. They
Masyadong malakas, no? I'm sorry. I think masyadong malakas. Yeah, I think masyadong malakas. Let me do it like this. I'm sorry.
bought the sacrifice with the emotions of others.
Remember yung sinabi sa'yo sa
This
first part, mga need
perverse
mo
being
sundan?
is trying to go beyond even that.
Sa first part ng mga need ko sundan. Need ko sundan sa first part. I'm not really sure if I know it.
We are speaking of an ancient ritual.
Konti pa,
Which very
malakas
little
ka,
is known.
malakas pa.
7 sacrifices.
Sige. I will. Yan. Ito yata yung general volume.
7 mutilations.
7
I believe we are facing
Nasasa pa ang boses mo.
a
At
body
least nakalahati
exchange
niya na.
type of ritual. Madison Hale was trying to complete such a ritual before she was murdered, and now she is forcing your child to finish it for her.
Follow
She is
insect.
trying to steal your
Oh,
son's
this one?
body.
Okay.
The
Call
exchange
me
ritual?
as soon as you get this message.
Is that what she's after?
Okay. Oh, dun sa kabila. Okay. Oh! Okay, hammer mo na yan. May tinuturo sila. Ayun!
I think there's something else under that plank.
What is that key for? Ay, ano raw? Basement key. Yung kabilang I button. Red key means red door. Oh! You're not there! Parang sinusundan niya ako ng tingin. Hindi. Di ka buhay, di ba? Hindi. Dun yung red door eh. Let me close it para dyan ka lang. Yan, let me close it. Dyan ka lang. Yan, dito na tayo, everyone. Red door na ulit tayo. Yan, safe dito yung daan dito. Hanggang dun sa red door, so don't worry guys. Andiyan si Purple! Purple! Purple, nandiyan ka? Purple! Oh. Purple, nandiyan ka? Purple! Purple, are you there? Purple, 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 purple. Wala na si Purple. Oh, that's it. Oh, di ba? Diyan na si Purple. Hello, Purple. How are you? The iron... Oh!
What the hell
Oh!
is this place?
Aba, wait lang! Hindi pa ako ready. Nag-high pa ako kay Purple eh. Wait lang. Kumalma ka. Ayan. O, ala, napunta ako sa... Ala, nag-glitch yata. Ala, nag-glitch yata. Yung bulb na ba ito, bit? Kaya, homie, panood mo na bang gasoline ko? Hindi pa eh. Hello, Purple. How are you, girl? What's up? Na-fed up ka na kay Yoho? Kaya ayaw mo nang kausapin si Yoho? Yan, na-fed up ka na? Ayaw mo na kausapin si Yoho, Purple? Ah! Putik ka! Hello, Joshua. Thank you for following me. Ano ba balak? Ano ba gagawin ko dito kasi? Uy, napatay ko! Napatay ko! Find crowbar, saan? Grabe yung reflex na po sa... Siya kami nagugulat niyo. Na-stress kasi sa'yo si Purple yung last. Hi talaga. Hello, hi. Di pa ako napag-hi sa'yo, ha? Kamusta ka, hi? Nakapatong lang dyan somewhere. Okay. No-fed up na yata si Purple sa akin. Sorry, Purple, but still, I'm very thankful that you helped me in Visage. Hindi ko nakita yung jumpscare sa sigaw mo na lang yun. Naumay sa'yo. Oh, di ba? Tatalikuran mo lang. Just click the light. Yun naman pala eh. Click bulb to change place. Ah, okay. Ah, nag-iiba yung ano, lugar. Okay. Ayan! Do I need to store something yung hindi ko na kailangan? Ay, lahat kailangan ko to. Ah! Just click the light. Okay, I will. Okay, we're good now. Umopen ka. Grabe nga, Jiro eh. Ang ganda ng graphics nito, talagang ano na to. Para sa requirements niya, napakaganda. Hello, Akumo. Alam ni Purple, right? Yeah, alam ni Purple. Pero kasi, nakakahiya na rin. Kasi she helps me a lot dun sa ano. Sa Visage since the beginning. Well, technically, you guys helped me a lot. But she really did help me a lot. Siguro, maybe she just wants to rest and just watch right now. Hindi ako natatakot, nagugulat na lang sa sigaw. Sabi niya, click mo lang hanggang lumitaw yung crowbar. Ah, okay. Oh! Kanina pa talaga ako andito. Hindi... Click mo hanggang lumitaw yung crowbar. Hindi lumalabas yung crowbar. Parang may nakita ko naglakad dun. Hello, Doogie Doog. Welcome back. Hinahanap ko yung crowbar. Ayun! Haha! Haha! Napapatawa ako sa'yo. Dapat sigaw. Hello, Bogart. Alis ka na, Art? Babalik ka pa? Or you really gonna do something? Sige, Art. Balik ka anytime. You're always welcome here, okay? Okay na, no? Okay. Talikuran mo ang problema. 'Di ba? Talikuran mo. Ah, 'di ba? Di safe tayo lahat, 'di ba? Ah, 'di ba? Di pati kayo, naligtas ko. Sasabihin mo, ayo, thank you. Oh! Hindi ikaw. Tabi na tayo. Para kung mawala man, alam kong nawala ka. Pakinggan mo, breathe. Yun lang picturean. Kaampi mo yung statue. Ask lang, is that Mother Mary statue? Di ko alam eh. Tanong natin. Hay! Snap the pictures, right? Or... Ayan, dito ka. Yan. Yan. Medyo maganda yung angulo mo dyan. Yan. Say cheese. Oh! Gusto nyo rin ng picture? Pwedeng group pic na lang? Yung statue na humihinga, picturean ko. Thank you, Purple. Hey, okay lang yan, Purple. You don't need to help me na. Andiyan naman si Vid. Nood ka na lang. You did your part ng nakaraan. Wala naman nakabukas ang bibig. Paano ko man... They multiplied. Parang may yung... Wala ka! Haha! Painggan mo lang yung sino nga. Thank you, Cristela. Wait lang. Ito, no? Humihinga to, no? Tama, yung humihinga ulit dito eh. Tana? Yes, we're safe! Picture ka rin? Sige! Ah! Putik ka! Bastos! Kinuha ko na ng picture ng ganun pa! Bastos! Hindi na pala statue. Wait. Yes, for safety ka po, picture ka rin. Napaka-friendly na nga, gaganunin pa. Hello, Kinchlin! Hey, Kinchlin, it's been a long time. You've been busy this past few days?
That woman.
You've been busy?
She doesn't show
busy ka?
photos. Somehow the photos of her.
Waiting for Blue Knees. What is Blue Knees? Oh. Hindi talaga maganda sa friend na friendly ka na sa kanila. Hello, hi. Welcome back, hi. Oh, hello!
There is no need to cut off the power.
There's no need.
There is no need
Okay.
to cut off the power right now.
Okay, we're safe, we're safe. Mukhang di siya abot kay Blue Knees. Hindi talaga maganda friendly ka sa kanila. Totoo. Ano naman yung Blue Knees na yan? Bed ng couple. Oh, I know that. Paano na naman siya nakataas dyan? Ewan ko ba, nagpa-parkour yata yan? Yan. Yan. Ito lang bed dito sa lugar na to, para siyang safe zone. Hindi tayo ginugulat dito. Remember yung need gamitan ng crowbar? Yeah, I remember now. Oh, what is that? Kakasabi ko lang. Wait, let me close it. Dapat naka-close lahat yan. Yan. Okay? We're good. Ano? Di na naman ako updated, sabi ni Sakura. Kailangan updated tayo, guys. Okay, wag basta-basta. Thank you so much, guys, for the 135k likes. Salamat sa mga nag-like, continuously supporting this live, this community that we do have. I really do appreciate you. Salamat from the bottom of my heart. Thank you talaga.
Is this the ring she mentioned in her diary?
May Discord kayo, sabi? Oh, no, we don't have a Discord. Gusto kong gumawa ng Discord, kaso sabi ni Angie, pangit daw. Wag daw. Kaya, di na ako gumawa.
My eyes. My eyes.
Hello, Belle. Hoy, ano ako?
God.
Inunahan na kita.
I need to get out.
Hello,
of
Belle.
this
Thank you for following me.
fucking house.
Remember sa mo kinuha yung camera mo, hindi. Nanakit na naman yung kamay niyo. Huwag ka maniwala sa pusa na yan, siya lamay tayo. Ritual room ata or no? Ritual room yung may isang chair? Ay, sa unahan pa? Oh, I should view the drawing daw. I should view the drawing. Nakuha ko, no? Asan na yung drawing? Where's the drawing? Here, right?
I don't remember drawing any of these.
Ah, alam ko na yung sa unang-una!
Going insane.
Parang may bumukas na naman. May bumubukas na naman na basta-basta. Dito yan, dito yan, dito yan. Hindi, alam mo, wala naman nagpapakita dito. Safe naman ito. This one. Oh, kita ko kayo! Oh, nag-close na naman ang kusa. Ah, dito. Tama, dito. Eto, tama! Get Moonbox and Sunbox. Okay, I will. Ako naninero si ako mo. Hello, Carl Pasqua. How you doing? Ito. Kunin mo yung moon. Kunin ko yung moon. Kunin ko yung sandbox. Yan.
I'm carrying too much already.
Wait lang. Magtatapon muna ako ng hindi ko kailangan. Anong... Ito, no? Hindi ko kailangan to. Hello, Lily. How are you? Kamusta ka? Kukunin ko.
I'm carrying too much already.
Tapos store ko to. Ano yung store ko? Store ko na to. Hindi naman kailangan to eh. Yan. Yan. Kukunin ko yung buwan. Kukunin ko yung... Wait. Kukunin ko yung buwan. Kukunin ko yung araw. Yun yung pangako niya sa'yo hindi natupad. Kawawa naman. I'll get the moon for you. The stars and the sun. Ayun. Buti hindi ko kilala. Hello, Lily. What's up? Wala, mag-antay na lang tayo. Ano sabi ni Eve? Wait lang. Sanin mo pala. Okay na. Okay na, right? I did what I have to do. Oh, there's a key.
Where did
Okay.
these come from?
Oh, dalawa na yung iron key ko. Ay, grabe.
A body exchange ritual? I need to put an end to this.
Ayokong ano yun. Basahin. Do I have to get this? Ring, skull, moonbox, and sandbox. Hello, Quinn. Meron ako ng skull, meron ako ng moonbox, meron ako ng sandbox, meron din ako ng ring. So, where will I put it? Ito! Wala naman silang pagkakaiba, no? Kahit saan ko lang ipunta. Hello, Quinn. Thank you for following me. Salamat.
I think I should open it first.
I should open it first daw. Okay, done. I cannot open this, oh. Ano po game yan? The title of the game is Madison. Hello, Dinosaur. Hello. Sandbox later. I cannot open this even if I want to.
I think I should open it first.
Yan!
I think I should open it first.
Yan! Hello, JV! Welcome back here. Yan!
I think I should
I
open
cannot
it
open it
first.
talaga. Anong key? Meron na ako ng mga key dito. Marami na akong key. Ito. Ito, iron key. Ito. Hello, JB. Hello, Aisen. You need 2 keys para sa kabilang door sa tabi ng room na yan. So babalik pa ako. Open the door that needs triangular key. So wala pa. Hello, Aisen! How are you? How's work? Kamusta? Sa work ka ngayon? Hello, Che. How's the kids? How are you? Goodbye. Enjoy the streams here around. Thank you, man. Thank you for staying here with us. I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Is there a way for me to give gifts to my watchers? Oh no, I can't. Paglabas mo ng ritual room sa right, dulong door. Hello, Dap. How are you? Nasa work ako ngayon. Naging busy ng past few days. Understand. Kunin ko raw. Ito. Kuha ko na po. Ang sabi, paglabas mo ng ritual room sa right door, Naka-live sila or naka-up sa stream mo, pwede ka mag-gift. Ah, okay, okay. I got it. Oh, this one, right? Ito yung sabi mo, ito. Galing. Galing! Hello, Daph. Thank you for following me, Daph. Appreciate you. Yes, sir! We're safe! Oh no, it's a basement. No, never ako naging safe sa basement.
This is from Grandma's diary.
This is Grandpa's diary. Sige. I hit the hour spend once it gets dark and it's not much of a... Okay.
There must be something useful.
There must be something useful here. Dapat lang. Siya na. Game. Game. Mali. 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 Okay, we're good. Hinantay ko na sabihin na red flag to. Basement. Hello, Den. Welcome back. Pauwi ka na? Ingat ka pa uwi, Den. It's already night, so you gotta be careful, okay? Ingat, ingat, Den. Let's go. Halina naman. Okay, we're good. Alam, naka-idlip ako habang naikit siya. Naalipungatan ako sa sigaw. Sorry. Hello, hello, Shang. How are you, girl? What's up? Nakalis ka na sa cellar nun sa LCD, ho? Natakasan mo yung babae. Yes, yes. Yun, tapos tinigil ko na. Cellar? Or hindi sabay baba yung parang lagay ng mga alak? Hello, Dang. Hello, Shang. Is this your first time here? Please follow me. Like and share the live. That'll be a very good help. Or try to repost it. That'll be a good help. Sisigaw ba si Yohomi ngayon? No, Lily! Wait lang, sino ba to? Kelly! Ikaw yung Kelly! Kelly, lika dito. Moonbox. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. The moonbox. Sumigaw ka kanina, yo. Wala kang ebidensya. Thank you for following me, Shang. Appreciate you. Alam na alam talaga ni Homie pag mumukha ako, Diyos ko. Siyempre. Kabisado ko rin yung pagkikisay mo. Dito ano muna kasi. Oh, what is inside? Oh!
These must be Madison's victims.
Ay, grabe. Grabe, hindi ko makaintindihan. Kaya pala Hellseed yung game nun kasi demonic game. Oo, grabe yun. Alam mo, sobra yun. Grabe yung game na yun. Hindi ko na tinapos. Yay! We're done! Wait, let me close the door. Okay, someone close it. Now me. Wait, baka may lumabas. Sandali. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, we're safe. Okay, we're safe. We're safe, everyone. Five or six na ba? Okay, we're done. Statues are crying na. Oh my god, oo nga. Oh! I heard something. Just interact to the little door para mag-open yung door. Oh, this one. Okay.
I need to find the 4 digits to open this door.
I need to
They
find the
must
4
be somewhere.
digits. Hindi ko nga nga alam kung nasan yung 4 digits nito eh. That bad? Oh, are you talking about the hell seed? Get tape sa window sa tapat ng door. Pinayak ni Yomi mga statues. Get tape sa window sa tapat ng door. Paglabas mo, may cassette tape sa bintana. Oh, it opened! Close yun, di ba? Oh, ayan na nga, oh. Okay. Let me close it. Hi, Dominator fan. Hello, Dominator. Dominator, right? Name of the game is Madison. If this is your first time here, kindly follow me. Play? Where will I play it ba? Pupunta ko dun sa ano na. Ayan, mga paghugas na may taga-guide pala. Meron. Kaya nga sabi ko, relax ka lang kasi si Bid naman muna ngayon. Relax ka lang. Thank you ha. Thank you pa rin na you're helping me ha. Salamat na marami sa'yo. Parang mali yung nilagay ko. Oh! It moves!
And that makes them stronger than us. They entertain themselves with us. They enjoy our fear, causing us pain. They feed off of it.
Number 3, i-play mo. Ito number 3, tama to, no?
One of them becomes attached to one of us. It's all but
Mga 5 minutes gising ako, sabi.
They play with our bodies and minds.
Does this mean that
Sorry na ako after your live. Favorite ko lang talaga tong Madison, sabi.
attached?
Paano sabi niya? Magsusorry ka na after my live? Magro-rosary. Magsusorry.
They
Attached
are
to me?
beyond everything we know. John, I
She's
implore
no
you.
longer human.
Ayoko na nag-sorry.
I'll
Hello, hi,
investigate
welcome
that
back.
woman you told me about.
Hello, Jel.
Madison Hale, and I'll get back to you as soon as I find something.
So, anong yan, ano?
Away from your son. Get rid of that camera as soon as you get this message.
Imagine mo naman kasi, habang pinabasa ko lahat ng game, ng comments ninyo,
If your child
nakikinig din ako sa sinasabi nito.
with this entity, his life, yours, and your
Hello,
family
hello, Eric Francis.
are in jeopardy.
10 minutes jump scare na, sabi ni
Chanel?
Dominator fan.
What have I done?
Basta walang ano ha.
I need to find a way to end
I need to
this.
find a way to end this.
Fuck.
You need to find a way to get out of there. Not to end this.
My body burns.
Ganun lang.
Horns?
Remember yung my horns na display? Okay, bid. Now lang ni nakanood. Hey, Ellie, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Ano ka ba? Okay lang yan. You're always welcome here. Sen yun yung sinasabi mo yung my horns na display. Hello, Jira. Thank you for following me. Open the notebook. Ito, this one, right? Okay, I do have... Okay. Okay, I do have it. Okay. Malapit sa couch sa my TV. Okay. I can do that. Okay, wala naman. Safe. Wala nag-aantay sa atin, everyone. This one. Sorry na, per porn sa taas ng TV. Kulang naman kasi yung sinabi. Wait. Natawa ko kay Purple. Magtuturo ka na lang, ayusin mo. Tama, kilala ko ni Purple. Sabi ni Purple, buuin mo kasi ligawin siya. Okay, wala naman lalabas dyan. Tago lang ako dito, ganyan. Gets niya naman. Kompleto dapat kasi naninisi at puta. Uy, ba't ka nag-open?
No. Not again.
Dito ba talaga ako?
Fuck.
First code mo na sa photo mo, Yoho.
I can't feel my fingers. What is happening to my body?
I don't like this. Okay, we're safe. We're safe, everyone. We're safe.
I don't know what this could mean.
Here?
There was a red light, but everything was dark.
Oh! Ano din pala dito? First code mo yan sa mini door. Ano? Anong sabi niya? Open mo photo mo. Okay. Oh, it close! Wala akong kinlose! Ano to? 7? 7, no? 7? Okay. Tapos dito. Generator. Generator next. Okay, we're safe. We're good. Punta ako sa generator, right? Elevator time. Okay.
What the hell
Oh!
are you doing?
Uy! Bakit mo
I
pinatay?
guess turning it on won't help right now. I guess
Bakit
turning
mo
it on won't
pinatay?
help right now. I guess turning it on won't help right now.
Anong turning it on won't help right now?
The doorbell. I gotta get to the front door.
Saan front door? Saan yung front door? Sandali. Remember yung may nakaharang na piano sa door? Hindi. Pag nagkakaroon ng short-term memory loss pag ganito. Saan yun? Kita mo naligaw na siya. Yung may music box, hindi ko maalala yan. Saan yan? Tataas ako dito? Dito? O dito? Left or right? Punta ka sa door malapit sa horn. Oh, so ito yung horn, 'di ba? Ito yung horn. Oh, this one. This one, no, ito. Oh, that don't look good. Oh, no. Ah! Putik ka! Hindi pa ako nakakapasok! Hindi na nga ako pumasok eh. Sa labas na nga ako eh. Oh, is it talaga? Oh, is it talaga? Alam mo yung parayos in case. Picture daw sabi niya. Tuwan-tuwa sila. Totoo. Hindi, may nagpakita na. We're safe na, I know. Pa-picture daw sabi niya. Buti wala siyang katabing kape ngayon. Oh, we're safe na. Saan ako pupunta next? Sabi. Saan ako? Shucks, saan ako? May ilaw nga, naliligaw ako eh. Tinanggalan niyo pa ako ng ilaw. Sa door na mag-open? Saan yun? O, tina mo? Nabalik ako ng di oras? De, ganito lang technique dyan. Kala nyo, lagi kayong Bakit meron sa likod ko? Hutik na yan. Magte-technique pa. Meron sa likod. Wiset. Wiset. Wiset talaga. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam. Yung technique ko hindi gawa na. Traidor! Traidor! Hello, Chion! Pati ka po, wicked.
She's playing with my mind. There is no
Wicked! Alam ko, ligtas na.
The 43-year-old woman, Madison Hale,
Tumalikod na nga eh.
7 people. Fortunately, the police were notified before she
Kapag may
carried out
jumpscare na. Hello, Marbs. Hey, Marbs? Who are you? Who's this? Are you just new here right now? Yeah, I think you're just new here. If this is your first time here, please follow me, Mary, right? Mary. For those people just new here right now, guys, if you don't mind, kindly follow me, like, share the live, or try to repost it. That would be a very big help.
drugs, or if it was actually a witchcraft ritual as
First floor.
the evidence found at the scene. Such
You
as
stored the hammer, tama ba? Ay, oo. Kukunin ba?
father. Madison mutilated his body in such a way that his
Grabe!
unrecognizable-
First floor pa lang may second.
His body was found in pieces inside the well along with the other corpses. So far, his
Shucks, babalik pa ako. Wala ba dito?
been found.
Wala ba dito?
Victim was her own 75-year-old father. Madison mutilated his body in such a way that his face was unrecognizable.
Good.
His body was found in pieces inside
Basement ako, di ba? Basement, tama.
the corpses. Fortunately, the police were notified before they
Good.
could carry it out, putting an end to the massacre after the
Okay naman na, nasagad ko naman na yung ano dito.
unknown if she was under the influence of any drugs, or if it was actually
Di mo na sinabi!
as indicated by the evidence found at the scene.
Oh, di ba? Meron na. Asan na ba ako? Ah! Asan meron? Bakit meron na naman? Holy shit talaga! Hindi mo na Kisay ka na naman, Kelly. Yan, atras lang tayo eh. Pinagmamali kasi sa'yo, crowbar. Hindi martilyo. Sige, babalik na. 60% na ata to, tama ba? Hindi ko alam, gusto ka na sa jumpscare. Pwisit na yun. Nagtitripan ako. Sino yun? Dito yun eh. Yan. What will I do? What will I take? This... Teka lang. Ito, diba? Tapos to, lagi ko na ito doon, diba? Hindi ko na kailangan ng crowbar. Okay. Ayan ah. Mas madami pa ata siyang sigaw dito kaysa doon sa Visage na game. Nasimula mo ba yung Visage? Grabe yung Visage na yun. Ang daming naging, ang daming nasira dito sa bahay. Mas madami pa, 9 na sigaw mo, 9. Ba't may bumibilang? Ayan. Dahil kabisado ko na, hindi na ako mag-o-open. Kala mo? Ha! Cause I know! Ha! Teka, labas lang ako saglit. Sakit ng leg ko. Balik ako. Nakaharang siya sa daanan eh. Ah, ganyan ka, Bid. Traitor ka rin.
Mutilating them.
Ano kaya feeling ng kapitbahay ito si Kayo? Ah, don't worry.
Carrying out, or if she simply took the photos to immortalize the event.
Wala, may kapitbahay.
According to official sources,
Nasa gitna ako ng kawalan.
the corpses. So far, his left leg and 3 fingers.
Sabi ko kanina, bibilangin ko sigaw mo. Okay.
The first victim was her own 75-year-old father. Madison mutilated his body in such a way that his face was unrecognizable.
Anong gagawin ko na dito?
His body was found in pieces inside the well along with the other corpses. So far, his left leg and
Hello, Catherine Sabio.
have been found.
Oh!
The first
Ano to?
was her own 75-year-old father. Madison mutilated his
1987, tandaan nyo ha. Hanapin mo daw Green Row. Ito na. Oh, I have to snap it. Okay, we're good.
Sounds like something's moving.
It sounds like something is moving, wala?
His left leg and 3 fingers have not been found. The first victim was her own 75-year-old father. Madison mutilated his body in such a way that his face was on.
Grabe naman bahay to. Meron mausoleo sa taas.
The woman passed away due to great loss of blood. Hours later, Madison continued to mutilate her body before disposing of
Hindi
it.
ko na gusto yung second floor.
The second victim was her 71-year-old mother.
Hindi ko gusto yung second floor. Anong gagawin ko dito?
Amputated both of her legs while she was still alive. The woman passed away due to great loss of blood.
Judith,
Hours later,
sige.
Madison continued to mutilate her body before disposing of it.
Leonard,
The second victim was her 71-year-old mother.
Christine.
According to police reports, Madison amputated both of her legs while she was still alive. The woman passed away due to great loss of blood. Hours later, Madison continued
Woo! Let's run na agad!
disposing of it. The second victim was her 71-year-old mother. According to police
Pinutol
reports,
habang buhay pa.
Madison
Ang lalaki.
amputated both
Alin? Third floor kay Drake. Okay.
The third victim was a 27-year-old
Okay, safe naman pala.
Madison hit his
Fourth
head
Celine
with
para
a
kompleto.
sharp
Thank you, Purple!
The young man
Maybe I
died
can break the
instantly.
wall with
His
something.
body was dismembered as well. The third victim was a 27-year-old man. Madison hit his head with a sharp object repeatedly. The young man died instantly.
Ang brutal ni Madison. Totoo, grabe.
The third victim was a 27-year-old man.
Let's go! Uy! Uy! Akala ko ano yun!
The young man died instantly. His body was dismembered as well.
Fourth na! Fourth na!
The third victim was a 27-year-old
Grabe tong lugar na to.
Madison hit
Ang yaman na niya lahat-lahat. Sino raw dito si Lynn?
The final
50
victim
ko,
was a
yo, be ready.
35-year-old woman.
Oh, ayaw magbukas oh.
Madison stabbed her at her own front door.
Ayaw
Neighbors
magbukas.
witnessed her dragging the body into the house and notified the
Sa fourth daw si Lynn, sabi.
The body was found unrecognizable in more than 13 pieces. The final victim was a 35-year-old woman. Madison stabbed her at her own front door. Neighbors witnessed her dragging the body into the house and notified the police. The woman's body was found unrecognizable in more than
Uy, ano yun?
13 pieces.
Si Lynn daw ah.
The final victim was a 35-year-old.
Wala pa.
Madison stabbed her at her own front door.
Wala pa. Kumalma ka.
Witnessed her dragging the body into the house and notified the police.
Eto.
The woman's body was found unrecognizable in
Takbo! Woohoo! Ano na dito sa fifth? Uy, ba't puro siya you? Wala nakalagay oh. Or maybe
There
this.
are no numbers on this one.
Oh, this. Oh! Oh! Let's run! Sana? Second code done. Oh, I have a key here. Oh, there's a key. Okay. Woo! Balik ng ground floor. Open na gen? Anong gen? Bid? Anong open gen? Alak? generator. Siya ba yung sinasabi kanina sa isa sa Sarpas? That's what I'm thinking as well, Lian eh. Ah, generator! Gen. Alak na ha. Hindi ako umiinom ng alak ni. Yun lang alam kong gen eh. Baka... Ayan, hindi na. Alam ko na yan eh. Alam ko na yan. Hindi na. Alam ko na yan. Hindi na be. Never again. Never again. Para kay Kelly. Ay, wala. Ang swerte ni Kelly. Sayang, di nang isa, iwi. Hindi Azrael. Hello, Azrael. Nagulat ka, no? Yan na! Bukas na! Yes, sir! May liwanag ang buhay! Clock room next. Saan yun? Oh! TikTok time, sabi ni Andrea. Oh, magti-TikTok ka na? That door. That door. Oh, this one! Oh, this one! Oh, that looks so bad. Get Bolt C. Where will I get that? Sa ano? Sa storage? Sa storage ko, am I right? Sa safe. Bolt C. Okay. No, parang meron dala-dala ko yung bolt. Eto, this one. Bolt cutter. Dala ko yung bolt cutter, guys. Okay, we're safe here. Yung mga ganitong lugar.
My body. My hands.
Hello,
This is
Eve. You're good?
what the priest was talking about. That thing is... The thing is feeding off of me. What the fuck
TikTok,
does this
what-
even mean? The house is full of clocks.
Drawer. Okay. Have we checked the pic? Wait lang, may naririnig ako. What picture? This one? 0. 7-0, tapos... Anong... Wait lang. Drawer ka mo, di ba? Where? Hello, Anne. How are you? Kumusta ka, Anne? Ah, kakadating mo lang, Anne. Alo, ang dami na nangyari, Anne. Ang dami na nagkapamilya dyan sa comment section. Ang dami na ring iniwan. Aray ko, may nanonood. Andrea, open the door. I cannot open it. Yung may lock na drawer, yo. What do you want? Oh, you mean to say this one? Okay, I got you. I got you. Di bale, wala rin akong balak, sabi. I was just kidding. But hey, you're always welcome here, right? Combination. 9 left, 11. Ano daw? Yo, malapit ka na mag 200k likes. Yay! Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you. Salamat. So, ano na? Bathroom, yo. I have to go up, you mean? Hello, Anne. How are you? Dito lang yung bathroom na yun eh. Ito. Oh, I can, bolt cut this na. Ano kaya laman nito? Alam mo ano kaya laman nito? Sa may gilid daw. Oh, this one? Remember yung may note doon? This one. Blueness is real, sabi. Shelf daw. Where? Sa patungan ng sabon. This one. Okay, got it. 9-11, tapos right, 8 left, 11 right, 9 left, 9 left, 11 right, 8 left. Green safe sa office room. Green safe sa office room. Gusto ko to i-open. Kailangan ko na ba to i-open o wag muna? O delikado pag in-open ko siya? Later na.